What's going on, guys? It's Ben with Humble Crew Auto Spa. Today, we're going to be seeing how well NXTZEN holds up to road abuse. So we took this Porsche 911 GTS all the way up to Minnesota, all the way back to see some relatives. It was a 2,300-mile road trip, and man, just take a look at these B-roll shots. It is covered in bugs. With this 911 being so covered up in bugs, the first thing we're going to do is spray on a bug remover. For that, we're going to be using CarPro Bug Out. I like this chemical a lot because its specific ability to cut through acids like bug guts, bird poop, things like that. It's able to swiftly remove it without damaging the paint and needing to scrub at it. So we're going to first spray that on all the affected areas, which is generally the entire front, as you can see here. The first thing we're going to need to do is give this car a really thorough rinse. And by thorough rinse, I mean the grills, the headlights, and all of the cracks and everything like that. It's just going to be covered in dirt. So we're going to tackle every single crevice and get everything rinsed down. For the wheels, we're going to be using a product called WheelX. And what I like about this product is that it's not as abrasive as a straight-on iron remover, meaning if you spray this on your wheels and let it sit for a couple minutes, it won't etch into this really delicate satin black finish. So we're gonna spray that on, use a brush to clean off into the crevices, into all the nooks and crannies. We're then going to hit the tires with some retire to get rid of all of that 2,200-mile road gunk. You can see the end results here. We treated this car with NXTZEN's Elite ceramic coating, and what I like about this specific product is that it's able to repel things like bird poop and bug guts from sticking and staining this beautiful Carrera White finish. You can see as we're washing it, we're really taking our time with a 2-bucket wash to make sure we don't scratch the paint. As you can see, some of the bug guts on here are a lot more stubborn and require us to use a little bit of a different method. Normally you would use a wash mitt, but with this much abuse, we're gonna bust out something slightly more abrasive called a clay mitt. The clay mitt is not as aggressive as a clay bar where it mars the paint. It allows you to get rid of things nice and gentle enough without scratching the paint. After the wash, we're going to give it a really thorough rinse, just like how we did the first time around, getting in every crevice so we don't have any leftover soap laying around. You can see the water beading right off the paint, and that's a good sign, meaning that the ceramic coating is still performing the way it's supposed to, where it almost looks like a non-stick frying pan. So with that, we're going to leaf blow the car, because that's the fun part about it, and then come back for all the driplets. You can see this car cleans up very well. With the ceramic coating, it makes it so much easier to not only take care of the big hard stains like all those bugs on the windshield, on the paint, but it also makes it really easy for you to dry. So when you go to leaf blow all of it, you can just get the driplets, making our wash only a really thorough 30 minutes. Just look at the before and after. Man, that thing was covered in bugs. Now you can see everything's all off without using extremely abrasive things like a polisher or a clay bar to get it this really fantastic end result. If you generally drive your car every day or go very long distances and really long intervals between your maintenance washes, ceramic coatings are going to be one of the best things you can do to protect your paint and keep it nice and shiny for many years to come. It's Ben with Humble Crew Auto Spa, signing out.